Canada has decided to expand its COVID programs for its citizens. Prime Minister Justin Trudeau recently said that these programs will allow the citizens of Canada to meet with their daily expenses, and also if there is any kind of hospitalization or medical expenses that they need to shell out, the Canadian government is going to help them out. Last year, Canada was hit badly by COVID-19 but had seen a gradual fall in the past few months. However, with Omicron spreading around globally, Canada also has not been spared. In some of the districts of Canada, lockdown has already been imposed and the government expects things to get worse from here. So Prime Minister Justin Trudeau has decided that these programs will stay for the time being so that people don't find it difficult to manage their expenses. And they would be expanding these programs and it would help people pay off their rents and also with their monthly salary. So if a person has been ill, has not been able to go to the office, or has not been able to work, was hospitalized, he would be given some benefit of what he is normally paid on a monthly basis. So they are coming up with new programs which will benefit the people of Canada. And in the next few days, the programs will be announced and people will be able to know what exactly are the programs and how they can benefit from it. The government is really scared that the number of cases are rising and this can again hamper the economy and will go back to where it was last year. But Canada is no exception to this because most of the countries have faced this for the last 2 years. This has been going on and every time the number of cases go down, every time we are at the verge of pushing back COVID, we are happy that okay, it's finally over. But then we see a new variant. There's not much that we can do with the variants. However, we can definitely take all the safety measures and try to keep the variants at bay. So that is the best we can do for ourselves, and let's hope. We only have to be positive and hope that we can push back COVID in the coming months, and slowly and gradually we can actually remove it from the face of the earth. I say this in a lot of my videos concerning Omicron updates, and like everybody else, I'm also praying that COVID finally gets eradicated from earth so that it doesn't harm people, it doesn't kill people. So many people have died, have lost their lives because of COVID. So many families have got destroyed. So we need to take care of ourselves. We need to take the safety measures and try our best not to let COVID take a control on ourselves. So please stay tuned to my channel and press the subscribe button, and also let me know please in your comments what others you would like to see, and I will definitely prepare such videos. Bye for now.